Hi, I'm Patrick Flannery, Transtar Industries digital expert. Transend is the leading parts lookup and ordering software, and if you're not already using it, you're missing out. It was developed and tested by industry experts like you, designed to make ordering products faster and easier than ever before. At a time when our industry is busier than ever, every moment counts. On Transend, you can order parts 24/7, 365. Browse by price, brand, and availability. One feature that shops love is the Quick Add. Let me show you how it works. From the top navigation bar, select Quick Add, then simply type in the part number and add to cart. This is great for those frequently purchased items you know off the top of your head. Of course, you can also use your license plate number, year, make, model, engine, or VIN to browse a list of parts that fit the vehicle you're working on. Transend takes the guesswork out of ordering parts. Register for your account today.